Hi, I'm Kittu Kids TV. Hi, I am a road roller. Let's go for a road trip. Hey, this is a pothole. We have to repair this pit, otherwise, someone may fall inside it. We repair this pothole.
Yay!
Let us go ahead now. The wind is blowing very fast, so that's why the leaves are blowing here. Hey, this is look like another pothole. We have to repair this too.
Yay!
We have repaired this pothole too. Safe drive. Let us go further now. Hey, just look how strong the wind is blowing. Look at that. There is a shop here. What would be available at this shop? Let us go ahead. Hey, this is another pothole. We have to repair this pit as well.
Yay!
Yes, we have repaired all the potholes. Hooray! Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Kittu Kids TV. Please like, share, subscribe, and please hit the bell icon button. Bye-bye.